Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this, the BIBYKIVN shower stool. This is a chair for the shower area, and this is cool for seniors, for example. And it's 210 kilogram, which you can't get on top of it. Ooh, that's heavy. It's a shower chair with a backrest and an armrest. Height adjustable shower aid for the elderlies, for pregnant women too, and people with reduced mobility. It's a bathtub, shower, and a food stool. Oh, this shower stool is made of high-quality magnesium alloy, and it is equipped with a robust double slam construction for its special durability. The shower chair for seniors is also suitable for heavy weighters without eaves and prop, so you can handle this. The stool is safe in the shower as well as in the bathtub and enters safe use. This tool is easy to assemble, as you can see, but I will make an additional video about the installation process, even in details. Inexperienced people can do this without any problems, of course. For all those who are looking for a reliable and safe shower stool or a shower chair, this modern shower stool is an ideal choice for you. This non-slip bath stool is height adjustable with a normal height of 34 cm and a maximum height of 42 cm, so it meets the individual needs for each user out there. The base is stable, non-slip, rust-resistant, and easy to clean. The height adjustable design makes it very versatile. The anti-slip feet provide additional safety and prevents us against slipping, which is especially important to avoid drops in the shower stool for seniors. The height adjustable shower chair is optically modern and very stable. Since it is a great stool for everyday life, it is a very helpful and valuable for all the people, of course. And we feel modern, soft, and comfortable on this bath stool, thanks to the arm and the backrest, and it is also looks good with blue and white colors. The chair is ergonomically designed, and it is equipped with a removable non-slip silicone mat and a drainage hole system. The waterproof and moisture-resistant properties of facility daily cleaning and maintenance job. Whether for a long shower of treatment or a short break to relax, it offers a safety and convenience for people who are no longer so mobile anymore. The ergonomic stool is also useful for non-disabled people feel like sitting in a whirlpool. It is suitable for relaxing too. This shower aid device for the bathtubs is very light, but still makes an extremely stable impression. This bathtub seat is an ideal choice for seniors, pregnant women, and people with reduced mobility. It fits perfectly in various scenarios such as bathtub showers, for storing objects, or even as a piano stool. Whether we're organizing clothes, showering, or cleaning objects in a tall cabinet, this stool here always offers a help. The lighter shower stool effortlessly meets the need of the whole family, and it makes everyday life more convenient and, of course, comfortable. This shower chair with the armrest, two of them, is versatile and makes everyday life easier, as you can see. This is a practical household product that it increases the comfort and safety at once. With a non-slip and unstable construction, it is still light and mobile. Whether as a bathing aid, temporary seat, or a storage assistant, the masters every task and ensure a relaxed home. This height-adjustable bathtub seat is an indispensable helper that conveys with the well-touched-out details that make every use pleasant, of course. So, if you have problems with movement and something else, you should need this, and you can get this because it's not so expensive, but it's for a high quality. I promise. This is the shower stool for seniors and for all other people out there. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!